go-to source for transforming everyday spaces into extraordinary masterpieces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are tired of looking out at a patchy, uninspired lawn and want to step into a sleek, sophisticated paradise instead, you are in the perfect place. Today we are breaking down the secrets behind jaw-dropping modern backyard designs that look like they belong on the cover of a luxury architectural magazine. From seamless indoor-outdoor flows to stunning low-maintenance hardscaping, we will show you exactly how to elevate your outdoor area into the ultimate relaxation hub. Make sure you stay tuned because some of these design tricks are incredibly simple but will completely redefine how you use your home. Modern backyard design is characterized by its emphasis on clean lines, geometric patterns, minimalist landscaping, and a functional harmony between natural elements and man-made materials. Instead of cluttered garden beds and high-maintenance lawns, it relies on structured spaces using concrete pavers, natural wood cladding, architectural plants, and defined zones for dining, lounging, or gathering around a fire. Choosing a modern aesthetic for your backyard is a game-changer because it maximizes your usable square footage while significantly lowering your weekly lawn chores. It creates a serene, clutter-free environment that reduces visual stress, effortlessly extends your interior living room outdoors, and uses premium, durable materials that look beautiful all year round. Modern backyard ideas that embrace clean lines, neutral colors, geometric shapes, functional decor, and minimalism will complement the architecture of a newer build or give a more traditional home an updated feel. Create a sleek and current look with modern landscaping, hardscaping, furniture, lighting, and decor choices to upgrade your backyard, patio, pool deck, fire pit area, and more. Check out these 15 modern backyard design ideas that will inspire you to give your outdoor space a refreshing new look. One, keep furniture minimal. This super trendy and minimal backyard by Hunter Green Garden Design features just a few practical furnishings to allow the landscaping to shine through. Built-in seating along the back fence and plenty of ambient lighting create an inviting space that needs little more than a few chairs to make it feel complete. 2. Opt for square pavers. Large square pavers are in when it comes to modern backyard design, and this cutting-edge design by Yardzen proves it. To get the look, space them out slightly and add contrasting gravel or sand in between to create a geometric design and make the pavers pop. 3. Choose statement planters. No need to go all out with elaborate garden beds if you're aiming for a modern look. Several statement planters featuring small trees, shrubs, grasses, or flowers are all that you need to make a minimal and contemporary space. Stick to black and white. Opting for a neutral color palette is always recommended when it comes to modern design. Black and white is a classic pairing that feels instantly modern and is simple to put together. This chic space by Brana Designs features primarily white furnishings with pops of black to provide contrast and drama. 5. Accent with color. While neutral palettes are the goal, don't be afraid to add a pop of unexpected color to your backyard, particularly in a bold or neon shade. Meydan Architects used neon yellow chaise lounges as the finishing touches on this modern poolside design. 6. Try horizontal fencing. Most wooden fences are made using vertical fence boards, so if you're going for a more modern design, try installing fence boards horizontally as MGB Building Group did in this downtown Toronto backyard. The result is contemporary and unexpected, not to mention super stylish. 7. Keep decor minimal. Modern design requires clean lines and uncluttered space, so avoid going overboard with decor and accessories. Instead, choose a few practical decor pieces like a fruit bowl or a small planter with herbs inside to finish off the design. 8. Choose low-seated sofas. Low seating is a quick way to give any space a modern feel. Just take a look at this modern outdoor seating arrangement designed by Decor Interiors. Add an outdoor rug and some shade cover to make the space truly functional and inviting. 9. Lay a concrete patio. When it comes to modern design, clean lines and minimalism are the goal, and nothing checks those boxes quite like a concrete patio. Opt for large concrete slabs with a smooth finish over smaller and more intricate designs, and use furniture and landscaping to add texture and contrast to the space. 10. Vary textures and materials. When furnishings and decor are minimal, adding interest through the use of different textures and materials is important. This backyard design by Yardzen incorporates wood, concrete, metal, and fabric in strategic ways to create contrast and visual interest without making the space feel cluttered. 11. Warm with a fire table. Fire tables are a great accessory for modern backyards. Not only are they stylish and super functional, but they are literally more modern than alternatives like open fireplaces or fire pits. Choose a fire table with a minimal design to achieve that sleek, modern look. 12. Make it moody and dramatic. The exaggerated use of black in this trendy backyard by all-weather landscape gives the space a super modern and moody look. The use of white furnishings with light wood and textured plants like grasses and palms keeps the space from feeling too dark while providing plenty of visual interest. 13. Build a pergola. Pergolas are a great addition to any modern backyard because they are sleek and minimal structures that provide shade and make a space more functional. Instagram user @InteriorWife added some string lights and tarps to her pergola for some added shade and ambient lighting. 14. Mix patterns. This modern backyard may have a neutral color palette, but it's certainly not lacking in interest thanks to the bold use of geometric shapes and designs. Square pavers and angular furniture are accented by high-contrast patterns on the throw pillows and ottomans for a super contemporary look. 15. Match your patio furniture. Another way to keep things simple in a modern design is to use the same patio furniture throughout the space, rather than mixing and matching different styles. This provides a simple backdrop for features like a large pool and clean landscaping to shine. Transitioning to a modern backyard layout is all about embracing the philosophy that less is truly more. By focusing on intentional layouts, subtle underbench lighting, integrated seating, and a cohesive color palette of earthy tones mixed with stone or wood, you create a space that never goes out of style. Whether you have a sprawling estate or a compact urban courtyard, clean lines and thoughtful zoning can make any outdoor area feel expansive, luxurious, and completely tailored to your lifestyle. If you are ready to give your backyard the ultimate modern glow-up, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for your weekly dose of luxury design inspiration. Drop a comment below and let us know. Would you choose a cozy modern fire pit zone or a sleek outdoor dining setup for your yard? Click that notification bell so you never miss our upcoming design breakdowns, and we will see you in our next video.